Hi everyone! In this video, you're going to discover the top 5 best ways to learn to code. My name is Lauren, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro fast. Let's get started. Programming, also known as coding, is a top-rated IT skill. Due to its relevance in a wide range of industries, the demand for coding skills is on the rise. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, demand for software engineers and developers will increase by 22.8% between 2012 and 2022. It's no surprise more and more people are learning how to code to profit from a booming industry. This video will show you the best ways to acquire programming skills. Getting started with coding. There are various avenues to learn how to code, including getting a college degree, taking offline and online courses, and reading books on programming. These are all valid methods since they ultimately help you build your knowledge of the subject. Since you are thinking about beginning a professional career in coding or switching from your current one, you probably would have asked yourself a question like, what is the best way to learn how to code? The fact is, there are lots of resources available to give you that required jumpstart. The following resources and strategies will point you in the right direction, allowing you to land your first coding gig in the shortest time possible. Number 1. Online courses and YouTube tutorials. Making the most of online resources is invaluable to starting a career in coding. According to a survey by Stack Overflow, 69% of programmers are at least partially self-taught. Many people learn to code by signing up to coding boot camps or certification programs. Some essential requirements for taking online coding courses include a personal computer or laptop, good internet connection, and a passion for coding. Once you meet these requirements, you'll be well equipped to take advantage of the numerous online coding resources and use them to create a wide range of projects. YouTube is a great resource that gives you free access to tutorials on a wide variety of programming topics. In addition to YouTube, other low-cost course training platforms offer online courses and MOOCs. Massive open online courses. The following are some popular learning platforms to start your journey in computer programming. Coursera. One of the best places to learn coding for free, Coursera offers several beginner and professional courses on programming. It employs the services of professionals from reputable institutions over the world to ensure each course meets industry standards. Completing courses may be free, however, getting a certificate comes at a price. On Coursera, certificates could cost anywhere from $30 to $100. Fortunately, purchasing certificates of completion can go a long way in improving your career prospects, as they serve as a testament to your level of competence. Udacity. Offering more than 150 free coding courses, Udacity offers nano-degree programs that can put you on the path to success. These programs provide tutorials on specialized IT fields, including data analysis, front-end development, and back-end development. While individual courses are free on Udacity, nano-degrees might cost you a small fee. Udemy. Udemy offers both free and paid online coding courses. Unlike Coursera, where courses are developed by certified instructors, anyone can develop and teach Udemy courses. Before signing up for a course on Udemy, be sure to read the reviews to know whether it would be worth your while. Udemy also occasionally offers coupons for paid courses for those who can't afford them. Microsoft Learn. Giving you access to free ebooks, helpful resource downloads, and community support forums, Microsoft Learn can help you get started with your career in coding via a host of video tutorials, demonstrations, and assessments. edX. edX is an open-source learning platform born out of a collaboration between MIT and Harvard University that offers several free coding courses. You can learn several programming languages on edX, including over 600 free computer science courses. These courses are adapted from top global university curriculums. Khan Academy. Khan Academy gives you access to a host of courses on technical skills, including programming. The interactive platform is well suited to people with coding interests at any age, including teens, children, and adults. Code Academy. Code Academy is another remarkable online platform for coding tutorials. It ranked amongst the top 10 best online learning platforms of 2021, according to surveys conducted by VidDegree. The platform is well suited to both beginners and experts. Number 2, project-based learning. Although a lot of quality content on coding is available online, it isn't intended as a substitute for project-based learning. You can buy courses, watch YouTube tutorials, and read books. However, theoretical learning can only be so helpful. There is a tendency to get stuck in a rut, only reading books and taking online tutorials without taking a bold step to start coding. Project-based learning is the most effective way to learn how to code. The project-based learning approach to coding is hands-on and requires you to start writing code, compiling and debugging in an integrated development environment, IDE. Starting a simple coding project and working your way up to more complex ones is a great way to build experience. This would give you the requisite experience needed to land paid coding jobs or gigs, all while building out your portfolio. Without hands-on experience, books and tutorials may make little sense, and you will probably retain only a small portion of the knowledge you've learned. Some key recommendations to consider include the following: using search engines such as Google and Bing to discover projects you can work on as a beginner. Remember that you can begin with the simplest projects, then progress to more complex ones. Getting a mentor with more experience than you can go a long way when starting out. A mentor can guide you on the most suitable path for your career and personal goals. Harnessing the power of networking. Networking with experienced professionals in your field has a bevy of advantages. You can network offline by attending boot camps or conventions or joining local tech hubs. Online tech forums such as Stack Overflow can also be very helpful. Number 3, honing your problem-solving skills. A great way to learn how to code for any beginner is by improving your problem-solving skills. A problem-solving ideology is critical to becoming a great software programmer. Moreover, your problem-solving skills allow you to remain competitive in your industry, regardless of your level of proficiency. The standard 5-step approach to solving coding-related problems includes doing the following: understanding a problem and defining the scope of the intended solution, developing a plan, dividing the problem into smaller bits and solving each one, quality checks, debugging the code, reassessing the problem, and doing more research, and regular practice. Number 4, making the most of online code repositories and collaborative platforms. You can review and modify projects created by other programmers on GitHub, an internet hosting service that allows coders to host open source projects for free. Finding some simple projects to practice with isn't so hard since most computer programs these days are open source. However, note the following when practicing with another programmer's code. Critically examine what function each line of code serves and whether or not it is the most efficient. Figure out better ways to modify the code for enhanced functionality, and find out if there are errors in any parts of the code. Number 5, gamified learning. While they might seem purely recreational, games can go a long way in reinforcing learning in a fun and engaging way. An increased focus on exposing young people to coding has led to a rise in the development of these games. Regardless of your learning process, you will find coding games useful, as they make learning coding easier. However, they should not be used exclusively, but in tandem with other learning resources, such as online courses and MOOCs. If you use them effectively, they can help fast-track your learning process. Popular gaming apps to try include the following: GameStar Mechanic, the Scratch coding app for kids; Move the Turtle, Hopscotch, Daisy the Dinosaur, the Cargo Bot coding app for kids; Tinker, Code Combat, Codecademy gaming app, Code School, Treehouse, Code and Game, and Bytecode. In this video, we explored various strategies suited to newbies starting out a career in coding. Tips covered were taking free online courses and tutorials, project-based learning, developing problem-solving skills, learning from projects on online repositories, and using gamified apps and platforms. The impact of mentorship and networking as a rookie programmer is also very important. These 5 tips will help you to start your coding career and put you on the path to success. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.